This beautiful showstopper dessert makes the best of all those summer berries that are perfectly in season right now. We've got strawberries and raspberries and blueberries and cherries, and we've mixed them with this towering meringue and a good drizzle of clotted cream. So let's see how it's done. Take 2 sheets of greaseproof paper and then sketch out 3 circles, one with an 8-inch diameter, one 6-inch and one with a 4-inch diameter. Turn the sheets upside down onto 2 large baking trays, then lightly grease the top. Using an electric whisk, beat the egg whites until they become stiff peaks. Add half the caster sugar and continue beating until it becomes very shiny. Add in the remaining sugar and continue beating until it becomes beautifully silky and stiff. Divide the meringue mixture among the 3 templates, smoothing the top of the larger 2 circles out and leaving the smallest circle with a cheeky little point. Bake in the oven for 2 hours, then switch off the oven and prop the door ajar. Leave the meringues inside until they've totally cooled. Very gently peel away the paper from the base of each meringue and don't panic if it cracks, as you're going to be covering it with fruit anyway. Just before serving, layer up the meringues with a mix of berries and a drizzle of cream.